So hi Venkatesh, please tell us about your background and skill set.
Yeah, I'm basically from an engineering background. So my stream is in electronic communications and engineering, and my skill set is like I'm a fast learner. If I understand the topic, means I'm a very fast learner and a good learner.
Okay, that's nice. So what
Yeah.
was the objective of your training?
The main thing is to build a career. To build a career, I think that this cloud computing, I choose it. It is a career objective, a main career objective, and like when I'm getting knowing about this cloud computing, I got very interested in this topic. So that's why I selected this as my career objective.
Okay, that's great. So why did you choose IntelliPath over others?
One of my cousin, she works in Infosys. She also used it past the IntelliPath, so she had a very good experience with this this training institute. So she suggested me to use this, and I have experienced more than what I expected. Like I have seen what I expected. When not to compare, other than other websites or any training institute, I'm very much like I like this very much. I like this institute very much, rather than anyone. Yes.
Okay, had your cousin also learned or taken course
Yes.
from us?
She also learned from this. I think of 5 years back, I guess.
Why did you opt for this course?
IoT stream is also there in electronic communication. So IoT stream is also a little bit related to this cloud computing. So I got really interested to this cloud computing course, and I think I really opted for this. So that's why I've chosen this cloud computing course with IntelliPath.
How was the quality of the course material?
Yeah, the quality of course is very good. Rather than having the weekend classes, also we have the self-paced learning. So the course which we can learn from ourselves from the self-paced learning also. So the quality of each it is from the beginning level to the intermediate and to the extreme level also. It is very understanding, and the weekend class is also very good. And it is going with the step by step. The course which is there which I took for is master training, Azure master training. The first is administration. So it is just giving the overview of what is there for the Azure portal. So it is everything is organized. So that's why I've liked this quality of this course of this IntelliPath.
So how was the experience from the support team?
When I got nervous or tensed with the course is going on, and I was back behind around 1-2 weeks like that. So the learners, I called them personally and cleared my doubts. And if I have took the support of the IntelliPath support also, and they also responded very quickly. I was wondered that within a minute they have responded. So, and the support team also have responded within 1 hour or 2 hours, and the problem is solved. So I really shocked that this support team is very fast and they're very accurate.
So Venkatesh, thank you so much for giving your valuable feedback. We are very happy that you are very happy with our Azure course. So we will promise you that always will provide you the best course and best support experience and overall. Thanks very much.
Thank you.